Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'd like to share you how to use the bedtime mode, and particularly it is for the smartphone of Vivo Y20i. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So what is actually the bedtime mode for? Well, actually, this can be suitable if you are the user of the smartphone and for this phone. And let's say if you feel like that you have already spent, or in terms that you have already wasted a lot of time to use this smartphone, and you would like to plan that you would like to sleep early in the certain time, so this bedtime mode can help you to have the better good quality of sleep. So the first step you can do is you can go to the setting, and after that it will direct you into this menu. Then you can just scroll down and you will see the digital well-being and parental controls. Then you can just simply click it, and as you can see, this diagram, or there are the graphic that show you about the usage of the phone. As you can see that I am, as the user of this phone, mostly spend the time to open the Shopee application, and after that I most also spend the time to watch the album, and after that I mostly spend the time to open the Google Sheets over here and another application. And as soon as I have received that information, so you can start to do your next action to click this bedtime mode. And for example, I would like to turn on this bedtime mode. So you can start to choose the bedtime routine. For example, I would like to sleep starting from at for example, I would like to start to sleep from the 8 p.m. or it is at 20 in the night, and you can just click OK, and you can start to put the end, or you would like to turn off this bedtime mode at, for example, 5 a.m. And as you can see here, the screen turned gray when I turn on this bedtime mode, and after that this bedtime mode is already activated. And let's say there's the time that you would like to slightly open the application because there is the notification from your social media. Then you can start to scroll down this menu a little bit, and you can choose this option. There are the menu to pause this bedtime mode for 30 minutes only, or you can also turn off for now. For example, if I choose to pause this only in 30 minutes, so after the 30 minutes the screen will turn gray over again. And if I turn off for now, so it will not activate the bedtime mode entirely until tomorrow. And if you'd like to activate it again, then you can just simply open this digital well-being again, and you can start to turn off now. There you go. Don't forget to try these tips, guys, and I hope you have the best quality of life and you can also stay healthy by managing the circadian time or when you are sleeping or the sleeping hours on the daily basis. So that's all, guys. I hope this tip finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.